Hey, are you someone who is interested to learn design and architecture? If yes, then you are in the right place. Let's explore the world of design and architecture. Hi, I'm from Ignite India Education and I will be your course instructor. And in this course, we will discover the creative person inside you. Innovation and creativity are the two important words you should always remember. For B designing, the exams will be NIFT, NID and UCEED. For B architecture, the exams will be NATA and JEE paper 2. Post-exam, the counseling way of colleges will be based on your ranks. Don't worry, if you are a creative mind, you will succeed. What matters over here is innovation and creativity, drawing skills and presenting yourself to your client. Reading piles of books will not work here. So Ignite India Education is here with all of you to create a new world. So what are you waiting for? Think different and let's create a new world towards a new different generation. Join today for Designing and Architecture Exam Preparation course with Ignite India Education. Ignite India is always there with the students. You can find us on igniteindiaedu.com. Ignite India, education for all.